Hey dear foodies, how are you all? Today I'm preparing a dish with chicken, that is butter chicken, in very simple and easy way with your easy chef. So let's get on it. For that I've taken 500 gram of boneless chicken. To start with the marination, I've taken half a teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder, salt, ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of yogurt. Let's marinate the chicken with these spices. Mix it well with the marination mixture. Make it more delicious by adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix it well and allow it to rest for half an hour. I have kept the pan on the medium flame and adding some cooking oil. When the oil is completely hot, you can add the marinated chicken. Please be careful when you fry the chicken, don't spill oil on yourself. I've not taken spoon or ladder because I was in a bit hurry. You please take care of yourself and don't spill oil on yourself. Take some spoon or ladder to fry the chicken. Once our chicken is completely fried, we can take the same oil for the chicken gravy. For that I have taken half a ginger, 3 cloves of garlic and 1 chilli, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 3 cardamom, some cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 cloves, some pepper and 1 star anise, 2 tomatoes and 2 onion roughly cut. As I said, I will be using the same oil which I took for frying the chicken to saute the spices and the tomato and onion. Give a good mix to the spices until the ginger garlic leaves its raw taste and change its color. Add the roughly cut onions. Once the onion changes its color, you can add the tomato. Give a good mix until the onion and tomato leaves its water. One teaspoon of salt or more according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of red chilli. If you like it more spicy, you can add up to 1 or 2 teaspoons. You can add some hot water to the mixture so that it becomes a bit mushy, and when you blend it, you get a fine paste of it. Once the tomato and onion is cooked properly, allow it to cool down for a few minutes before blending it in the mixture jar. I have transferred the mixture to the blender jar and made fine paste of it, and then I have added it to the chicken. You can add some water in the blender jar to remove the remaining mixture in it. Simultaneously, you are adding the water to the gravy. Add water accordingly to the amount of gravy you require. Approximately 1 to 2 cups will be enough. And then I have added some kasturi methi in it. Allow it to simmer for 10 minutes in a low flame with a closed lid. With a final touch, add some butter on the top. Our delicious and mouth-watering butter chicken is ready to be served on plate. To make it more presentable, you can garnish it with the fresh coriander leaves and some food cream on top. Butter chicken is one of the most delicious and very tasty food served around the globe. Please give it a try by yourself and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And stay blessed. Thank you.